I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face here, I am Shay with the Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all, as far as my weekend, I need 18 offers for $5. Not really sure if that's likely to happen. We do have a larger bonus as well, and I think I need 50 for $10. And I think that one expires on the 11th, which is my sister's birthday. I don't know if I'm going to hit the weekend. I'm going to try, but if I can't hit it, then I just can't hit it. It's just not meant to be. It's been so cold here lately. It's been rainy. It's been cloudy. I know I'm in the high desert, SoCal. And, you know, it's sunny most of the year, but when we get this kind of rain, it's like, we don't know how to act. We just truly don't know how to act. I'd rather be in the sun than in the cold or rain or snow. As far as Flavor Wiki, they did cash out everything yesterday. I got everything back thus far with the exception of the two I just did yesterday, which was I did Pringles again and I got Lay's. Now, I noticed with the chips, it does not specify a size. So with the Lay's, I got the 50-cent bag and I should be getting back 4. So I'll let you guys know how that plays out. It should work because it doesn't specify a size. And that's normally how it is with Flavor Wiki. It tells you what size to get. You need to get the same size, same ounces, same everything. Hit the like button, like duh. Hit the like button. I don't think people like as much as they used to, because I feel like all the channels that I watch, people don't really get as many likes as they used to. So I don't know if it's people or if it's YouTube. I like to think it's YouTube. But definitely hit the like button, support your girl. With that being said, we're going to head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Want to see what your girl got? Definitely keep on watching.
So this first deal here is on the Taipei. I was actually excited about this deal because it's available for Walmart rewards and Ibotta. I think the last couple of times it was only available for Walmart rewards. It looks like they're on rollback for $3.77. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $7.54, getting back $4.18 for buying 2 on either Ibotta or Walmart rewards, making them $1.68 each. I really like these. I got the vegetable one last time. I have some rotisserie I got from Costco, and I'm gonna make it happen with this for lunch today. So definitely is not a bad deal. All right, this next deal here is on the Minute Maid. Not Minute Maid, the Minute Rice. I saw this post on Instagram this morning. I'll pop up who I saw post it. Keys, Deals and Steals, I want to say. It is a Shopkick offer. There's like 4 different offers, limit of 3 for each one. So I think I'm gonna max it out and hope that everything gets picked up. So if you grab one at $2.08, you would get back a total of 475 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.90. Would make it 18 cents for a double pack. I think I'm gonna get the jasmine, the butter and sea salt, the jalapeno, and what else? Probably the white rice. And so yeah, definitely not a bad deal, and it's definitely a stock price. So this next deal is on the Lay's. It's on the barbecue. Now for this, it's a Flavor Wiki offer. You can grab this one here. It's priced at $2.50. You'll get back $4 on Flavor Wiki. However, it doesn't have a size, so I'm just gonna try getting the 50-cent bag and see if it works. If it does work, I'll pay the 50 cents, get back for making it a $3.50 moneymaker. So I'll let you know how that works out. All right, I also have an offer for the Pringles. For this one, they are priced at $1.99. You're gonna get back $4 on Flavor Wiki, bringing this down to a $2.01 moneymaker. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Whole Earth again. I'm going to do this for Joseph's account. It's priced at $6.48. I'm getting that back through Social Nature. And then we'll also get back $1.75 on Ibotta, making this a 75-cent moneymaker. I wanted to get the bag, the little pouch, but they don't carry those in my area. And so, yeah, last box, and it's mine. This next deal here is on the Arrowhead Sparkling Water. It's on the 8-packs. It looks like they're priced at $3.92. For this, you are going to be getting back 635 kicks. That's buy and scan kicks from Shopkick, which is $2.34. Make it $1.38. I think this is the only one that you're getting back $6.20. I think the other flavors you're getting back 600 kicks. So again, it only makes it $1.38 for 8-pack, which is not necessarily bad. All right, so this next deal is on the Blue Buffalo. It doesn't look like they carry that brand at this store. but it is priced at $3.48. I'm getting back $2 on Fetch Reward and 50 cents on Ibotta. Would make that only 98 cents. So this next deal is on the Swagbucks Refresh. They don't actually carry it at this location, but it is priced at $4.68. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. You'll pay $9.36, getting back $4 on inbox dollars. Make sure you check the sister apps because some of them said 2, some said 3, and some said 4. And then you're getting back a total of $2.50 on checkout 51, $1.50 on Ibotta. Would make them 68 cents each. I went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart Rewards and a separate set for Ibotta as well. So yeah, not a bad deal. This next deal is on the Clorox. Now there's different ways that you can do this deal. We have offers on Ibotta. We have offers on the sister apps as well as Checkout 51. So this is the deal that I came up with. We're going to grab the 2-pack of the toilet bowl cleaners. They're priced at $5.50. The spray is priced at $3.98. So the 2 is going to be $9.48. We'll get back 50 cents from each on Ibotta. $2 on Checkout 51 for buying 2. We'll also be getting back $2 on Swagbucks as well for buying 2, bringing them down to only $2.24 each. So this next deal, I saw California Clipper post this in her last Walmart video. This particular store, they're not on clearance, but at the other one, they were $1.98. I think she got them for like 99 cents. And so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them, priced at $1.98. I paid $3.96, and then I got back $2 for buying 2 on Ibotta, made them 98 cents each. I went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart Rewards as well. Next up is the Febreze Small Spaces, priced at $3.24. This is a Walmart Rewards offer, getting back $2.50, making it only 74 cents. Next up is the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Suds, priced at $4.14, getting back $2 through Walmart Rewards, making it only $2.14. Also have an offer on the regular power wash right here. Looks like they're priced at $3.94, getting back $2 on Walmart Rewards and make that $1.94. All right, y'all. So this next deal is on the Florister. Now, they do have the kids one. It's at a different store though. It's priced at $17.97. That's the one that I normally get when we get this offer. We do have it for $6 on Ibotta, but for Walmart Rewards, it's $8, so I would definitely do it there. We also have $8 on Swagbucks. Now, I'm really hoping that this will pop up on Checkout 51 Sunday morning, but as is, if you grab one at $17.97, you would get back $8 through Walmart Rewards and then $8 through Swagbucks, so it would make that $1.97. Again, we're going to hold off until Sunday and see if Checkout 51 offers it as well. It'll make it a moneymaker. All right, next up is the Nivea. It's the little 8.4 ounce. It's priced at $4.97. We do have a $2 offer on Ibotta. They'll bring that down to $2.97. I was really hoping it was gonna work on the little tiny ones right here, but it's not. And I don't think it works on this little one right here either. All right, so next up is the Ollie. It's on the sleep gummies. These are in the travel section. They are priced at $4.18. Getting back $4 on Ibotta would make these only 18 cents. Now you can also grab the stress ones as well if you want. These are priced at $4.18 as well. The offer on Ibotta for this one is $3, so it would make this $1.18. Now there is a 50-cent bonus, so if you grab both, then it would make them pretty cheap for all 4. And so yeah. All right, y'all. And of course there's the Dial. So these are the 7.5 ounce ones. They're priced at $134. They are working for the offer on Swagbucks or the sister apps. It's buy 2 get back 2. So for this, if you want to grab 2 of them, priced at $134, you would get back 35 cents for each on Ibotta. And then you would get back $2 on Swagbucks. It would make them a 2-cent moneymaker. I've been maxing out and grabbing 4. Now I will say this, the last time I did the deal, it did go into review. It wasn't approved or it was rejected. And I had to put a ticket in, but I did get my points. And so I've been doing it across the board though. So here is my complete haul for today. This haul is so exciting. Like, I absolutely love this haul. Like, I ain't even gonna front. The rice got me so hyped right now. Like, if you know me, you know I love carbs. And so I'm super excited about that. I was really hoping that it would reset tomorrow though, but I kind of low-key doubted it will. Look, I'm just getting back into Shopkick. This is only my second deal. And I be getting nervous, like, okay, what's gonna happen? I don't know. And so
Submitted my receipt for the 12. Didn't go through. All right. Not even a 1. Not even a 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Had to put a ticket in. Okay, put a ticket in. Got credit for 11. So I was like, okay, it's not too bad. Whatever. And I got the money back pretty fast. And mind you, I'm already home already. And so then I'm going to put another ticket in for the 12 one. And then realize that I only scanned 2 of the white rice instead of 3. So, yeah. And I'm already home, y'all. I am not taking that rice back up there. I'm just not going to. All right. Like, I feel like, Walmart is a multi-million-dollar company. Like, I think they'd be all right. I think they'd be all right. If I was still there, I would have taken it back. No big deal. Whatever. But I'm already home. All right. The other deal I'm super excited about is this one right here. This right here. These are so good. Again, I'm excited with some rotisserie, some of that is it Mandarin sauce, the Panda Express kind. Yeah, got a bottle of that. Yeah, it's gonna be so good. That's what I'm having for lunch today. I'm super excited. Also excited about the Fabuloso as well. And that one smells pretty. It smells really good. It doesn't smell overly Christmassy or whatever. I probably could have did that on my second Walmart app, but I was hoping that it would reset on Ibotta today, and if it does, I'll do it again there, so it'll count towards that larger bonus. I mean, I'll probably do it on Walmart Rewards again anyways, because that's something I'm gonna buy anyways, and to get them for 98 cents is not a bad deal for me. And I mean, if you went to dollar quarter, dollar 50, dollar more tree, you're gonna get that little tiny one for like $1.50. So definitely is an awesome deal there. I didn't mention the Lay's. This is a small bag that I got for 50 cents. Hoping that it'll work for the offer for Flavor Wiki. It should, because it didn't specify a size, and it should go through. All right. And yes, I took a picture of that little ass bag with my thumb in front of it. No lie. Other than that, what else? I did the dial 2 more times. I was gonna do the dial again today, but I was like, I've been having to put tickets in, y'all. And at this point, I don't even want to deal with it no more. And so I won't be putting another ticket in as far as the dial is concerned. And so other than that, I'm going to try to breeze through this. Everything that you see here retails $92.75, not one single coupon, not a one. And so that's what we paid out of pocket. Sales tax was $4.28. And then we walk away with $24.63 from Ibotta. Shopkick is $20.52. I did cash out for PayPal for $16.47. Field agent, I did 5 jobs. And so that was $15. Ta-da, $8. Flavor Wiki, $8. Social Nature, $6.48. Checkout 51 is $5. Walmart Rewards, $4.20. And then Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, both $4. So getting back a total of $116.30 brings our total to everything being free, plus a $23.55 money maker. Pretty awesome. I'm really hoping that rice resets, because that is totally a stock up price for me. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the way at the door. In the comments, I want to see a rice emoji or chopsticks emoji in the comments. And with that being said, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.